Hello, everyone. So I'm here again with a video for Tronsun. And on today, I noticed something on the website, and it doesn't have the withdraw button. This also happened on the Tronmoon website. And then theirs changed to 6 days. It might have been an automatic built-in something, at least that's what's happening on my system. But what I did do, I went to the iPhone and I was able to do a withdrawal. So I didn't do a redeposit because I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I went to the chat room in the Telegram group and they said it's a user interface, meaning a UI problem for the Chrome browser. So I'm not sure if people are using other browsers, but this is just my experience today. So there's no withdraw button. So today I wanted to talk about something else that we have going on. So you're probably asking yourself, like, this looks really weird. Only invested 200 TRX about 25 days ago. There's 74 days left in this 100-day contract, but the total withdrawn is 2109.56. The reason for that is from sharing the referral link on videos and with everyone that's interested in investing in smart contracts. And I'd like to let you guys know that on my videos, like I've been saying, that I will share your links if you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also the Facebook group. So I do have a posting on the Facebook group right now that explains that I'm gonna start having not a contest, but kind of rewards. Everybody doesn't get them, but if you are able to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notifications, like hit that notification bell. So every time we do a video, which is virtually almost every day, if you're able to join us on the premiere of the video and engage me on the live chat, your name will go into a bucket so that you'll be able to either receive 100, 200, 250, 500 TRX, who knows what the number is going to be. And then on a quarterly basis, somebody will get 5,000 TRX. So that's for engagement, to also thank you for engaging in the videos. And it's not necessarily just people that are leaving positive things. I want your feedback, as long as it's not, crazy off the wall, or you're, mad at a smart contract and you're taking it out on people that comment on the post. So we're also implementing a thing. So I've been getting a lot of spam. So I've turned on the comment monitoring so that I can stave that off, but we'll talk about that another time. But for right now, I want you to go over to the Facebook page. If you haven't been there already, it has the same videos. I just want you to have as much information as possible about new contracts that are coming out, any updates on contracts that are folding or not, or that are not doing as well. So we just want to keep you informed and send you out as much education about these things as possible. So if you'd like to participate, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also go over to Facebook and like that page so that you'll be able to receive notifications. The more people that we have engaging on the posts, the better. We can all share information if you would like. So again, it looks like within their Tronsun Telegram group, they'll be fixing the button issue tomorrow. If you can't wait till tomorrow, if you're using a desktop, just go on over to your phone and you can do your transaction and your withdrawal that way. Okay, until next time, I will see you later.